Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to turn off dark mode in DuckduckGo application on Android device. Well, knowing how to turn off dark mode in this application can be useful for a few reasons. Okay, some users may prefer the traditional light mode for aesthetic or readability reasons, especially in well-lit environments. Okay, additionally, certain individuals may find that light mode is easier on their eyes. So, how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open please DuckduckGo application. Okay, and now please click the three dots at the top right corner. After that, select Settings option. Okay, and then please scroll down to the very bottom of the screen and then you can select Appearance option. Okay, after that, here you can tap the first one, and then you can select Light option to turn off dark mode. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off dark mode in DuckduckGo application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.